Many of the leading African and Asian private equity firms are quietly choosing Mauritius, and the reasons are clear. First, regulatory predictability. Mauritius offers a stable, transparent regime, giving managers confidence and smoother approvals. Second, investor acceptance. LPs already know and trust Mauritius structures, which makes fundraising and onboarding far easier. And third, compliant tax efficiency. Funds achieve efficient domestic taxation and treaty-aligned outcomes without aggressive planning, staying efficient and fully compliant. For top-tier private equity managers, Mauritius isn't just a domicile, it's a strategic advantage. At GWMS, we help you structure and administer your fund the right way.